Welcome to our tutorial on how to find your labels in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to accomplish this. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top left corner of your Gmail interface, locate and click on the main menu icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, you will find Labels. Click on it to proceed. By finding your labels in Gmail, you can easily categorize and organize your emails, making it simpler to manage your inbox. Labels allow you to prioritize and filter your messages based on different criteria. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Stay organized and enhance your Gmail experience on your PC with labels.